look at this snowy scene waking up. Today, Saturday morning, December 21st, and we got heavy snow on the ground, around 2 to 3 inches in East Brunswick, New Jersey. Everything is covered. Cars, the ground, trees, everything. And today we're going to be seeing some blowing snow, but as you can see, everything is covered. Even the road, even the driveway. It's insane to look at even. So, yeah. I mean, everywhere you look, it's a winter wonderland around the trees, everywhere. It's such an amazing view to see right now. And we're going to see temperatures absolutely plummet today into the 20s. And then overnight lows could be as low as the teens. And then tomorrow morning, we could see temperatures not even reaching 20 degrees in the afternoon. And then temperatures at night, here it could be 4 degrees. But at north, it could be negative or maybe even 0. So a very bitter, cold chill. But I mean, beautiful snow. Absolutely beautiful. Just for in time for Christmas. Really. It's just amazing to see. So that will conclude this snowfall event for the 21st. The wind will really start picking up and blowing that snow. And I'll see you guys later. We'll have more videos to upload from this snowfall event. Definitely quite an overachiever. We did pick up 3 to 3.5 inches. So that concludes this event. But what a nice little snowstorm we got.